All right, I'm going to show you how to operate the gimbal now. All right, on your controller in the back here, you're going to see there's a little wheel. And you can move it to the right, which will bring the gimbal up, or you can move it to the left, which brings it down. And I'm going to show you as I pull it, what it does. Now here's the right, to the left, my left. And you notice how it's focusing all the way down, right there. Now when I go this way, it's going to come back up. You see that? All right, so this is the view coming out. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get it all, it's all the way up on the horizon. So now I'm going to pull it towards me this way and watch how it drops. There it goes. You can see my feet now. Now let's go up. And bam, that's how you use the gimbal. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.